DJI's Mini series has always carried a simple but powerful promise: give creators an accessible, high-quality aerial imaging experience while keeping drones lightweight, compact, and user-friendly. The Mini 4K embodied that ethos perfectly, offering a budget-friendly entry point into 4K filmmaking without forcing pilots to grapple with heavy, complex gear. It became a favorite among hobbyists, travel vloggers, and casual photographers who wanted professional-looking results without the bulk of a larger drone. Yet as technology advances and creators' expectations grow, conversations online have inevitably turned to the next step. Names like Mini 4 Pro and Mini 5 Pro have floated around, but a new concept is gaining traction: a straight successor that sits between the entry-level Mini 4K and the fully loaded Pro models, the DJI Mini 5K. The Mini 5K isn't being imagined as a mere incremental upgrade. Instead, it's being envisioned as a thoughtful evolution that preserves the core Mini philosophy while delivering real, tangible improvements in imaging and flight performance. Leaks and informed speculation suggest a range of upgrades that could transform how compact drones perform for content creators. Central among these is a significant sensor upgrade. While the Mini 4K relied on a smaller 0.3-inch sensor, credible reports indicate that the Mini 5K may adopt a much larger sensor, possibly approaching the 1-inch class. This change would dramatically enhance the drone's ability to capture light, increasing low-light performance, dynamic range, and depth of field control. For creators, that's more than a technical improvement. It's the difference between merely acceptable footage and images that feel cinematic and polished under real-world conditions. Alongside the sensor improvements, the Mini 5K is rumored to deliver higher resolution stills, potentially reaching 48 to 50 megapixels. Such a leap allows pilots to crop aggressively without sacrificing quality, extract high-resolution frames from video, or produce large prints directly from aerial photography. The video capabilities are expected to see a parallel evolution. Whereas the Mini 4K capped at 4K 30 FPS, the Mini 5K is imagined to support at least 4K 60 FPS, with some leaks hinting at even higher frame rates for slow-motion capture. Extended HDR modes may also make an appearance, delivering footage that better preserves highlights and shadows in challenging lighting conditions. For storytellers, these enhancements aren't just numbers; they offer creative flexibility, smoother motion capture, and more faithful representation of the scenes they film. Safety and obstacle avoidance have always been a challenge for compact drones. Smaller drones often sacrifice sensors to save weight, limiting autonomous awareness and collision prevention. The Mini 5K, however, is rumored to integrate more sophisticated sensing hardware. Potential upgrades could include additional forward and side sensors, improved bottom sensors, and even a small LiDAR unit on certain variants. If DJI succeeds in implementing these features while keeping the drone under the critical 250-gram threshold, it would represent a major technical achievement: a compact, ultralight drone with professional-level situational awareness and compliance with regulatory weight classes. Battery life is another area where the Mini 5K is expected to improve. Leaks suggest multiple battery options, a standard pack and a larger battery variant that extends flight time at the cost of slightly increased weight. This approach gives pilots flexibility depending on mission requirements. Travelers or those operating under strict weight restrictions may prefer the standard pack, while creators needing longer flight sessions could opt for the larger battery. Efficiency gains through smarter motor control and optimized flight firmware are also anticipated, allowing for incremental improvements in flight duration without necessarily increasing battery size. Transmission and control are expected to see meaningful upgrades as well. Improved video downlink stability, extended range, and better handling of interference are among the reported changes. While these may seem like minor tweaks, they are crucial for professional creators. A reliable connection ensures smoother real-time monitoring, fewer dropped frames, and more consistent control, especially in dense urban environments or locations with high electromagnetic interference. For anyone capturing fast-moving subjects or intricate aerial maneuvers, these upgrades could make the difference between usable and unusable footage. All of this raises a key question: what will the DJI Mini 5K cost? The Mini 4K succeeded because it offered high capability at an accessible price. The Mini 5K, however, is rumored to occupy a new tier. It won't reach the price levels of the Pro models, but it is expected to cost more than the entry-level Mini. This latter approach allows DJI to offer significant upgrades, better imaging, higher frame rates, advanced safety features, without requiring users to invest in the more expensive Pro line. In doing so, the Mini 5K could become the ideal compromise for hobbyists, serious enthusiasts, and small-scale professionals who want cinematic quality in a compact, portable package. Another factor to consider is availability. DJI's previous launches often roll out regionally first, and early stock can be limited, especially when new technologies are packed into lightweight designs. Integrating a larger sensor, advanced obstacle sensing, and improved flight systems all increase manufacturing complexity. Creators should expect that supply may be constrained at launch, making official announcements, pre-orders, and hands-on reviews critical for assessing the drone's real-world performance. Beyond the hardware, the Mini 5K is rumored to benefit from DJI's continued software improvements. Enhanced image processing, smarter HDR merging, and improved gimbal stabilization can transform even modest sensor upgrades into dramatically better results. Advanced tracking algorithms, better flight planning modes, and integration with DJI's ecosystem of apps and post-processing tools further enhance usability. The combination of powerful hardware and intelligent software could make the Mini 5K not just an incremental update, but a genuinely transformative tool for creators seeking compact aerial cinematography. Looking at the bigger picture, the Mini 5K seems designed to retain the DNA that made the Mini line popular: ease of use, portability, and travel-friendly design. At the same time, it could elevate image quality and flight performance to levels that rival much larger drones. In practical terms, this means pilots could capture professional quality cinematic footage in under 250 grams, with smarter safety systems, flexible video options, and the ability to handle more complex shooting environments than ever before. For creators, this combination is particularly compelling: the ability to fly legally in many regions without registration while gaining access to pro-grade image quality and features. The trade-offs are clear. Early adopters may face higher costs, and initial supply could be limited. Achieving a balance between miniaturization, advanced sensors, obstacle avoidance, and battery life is a technical challenge. Yet if DJI delivers as the rumors suggest, the Mini 5K could be the first compact drone that genuinely satisfies both casual pilots and creators looking for near-professional results in a lightweight package. It would occupy a sweet spot between the Mini 4K and the Pro models, offering a middle ground for users who need more than the entry-level option but don't want, or need, the full Pro rig. Until DJI officially confirms details, all of this remains speculative, but the leaks and reasoning point toward a device that could be a genuine game-changer. For creators who have long dreamed of compact drones delivering near-pro-level imagery, flexible video options, extended safety systems, and intelligent software, the Mini 5K could finally deliver on that promise. It's a machine that respects the legacy of the Mini series while embracing the possibilities of the next era in drone technology, a bridge between accessible flight and professional quality content creation, all in a device light enough to fit in your backpack and fly almost anywhere.